Oh, you said that as well?
I said that. You said it.
Yeah.
I think I said in the audio. I think Jess is going to say the same thing.
I did.
Yeah, you did?
I did.
Yeah. Well.
Ran out. Funny expression of that.
As a young girl.
I mean, everyone's been asking me how I feel, but I've been saying I feel like I'm at someone else's wedding. Like I process my emotions after the fact. So I don't feel anything right now. I think I'll feel it when I see Adarsh on the mandap. That's when I'll feel it. But right now I feel calm and relaxed, and the venue is so nice. So I just, yeah.
I can explain that. So we were working at an internship kind of job. We had like a university kind of job, and then I was leaving and she was joining. And as I was leaving, we had like a going away party to say goodbye to me. And that's where I met Jess. We started talking then, and we realized we got to the same university. And then we started talking more in university, and I realized I really like her a lot. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to join her minor. So I did a minor in marketing to hang out with her even more. And then, yeah, that's where the story kind of began.
Yeah. No, yeah, I'm really
Sell the shit for profit and bounce. Butterfly, you take
We all are here to celebrate this beautiful, beautiful ceremony.
I don't know, it feels like a lot has happened and we haven't had time to digest all of it.
Process it, yeah.
So,
I'll feel it in 3 days.
yeah, what we're feeling is a lot of different emotions, and we just I can't put into words just yet.
Yeah. You have to sleep on it and then wake up the next morning, and then it'll sink in.
One specific quality, but it's just the person that he is. Like, he gets over things very easily. He doesn't hold on to anything, which is I'm exactly like that as well. Like we like neither of us holds grudges. We just feel the moment and we move on. And I think it's nice having someone who's very similar to you because you can go through life so lightly. Like nothing is ever too serious with him, which is exactly what I'm looking for, like, you know, which I've looked for in a life partner, and that's, you know, what Adarsh brings to the table.
Maybe I could stick around. The more I would stay, the more I'd be found. Oh, where the money.
Maybe just zoom into Shubay.
Yeah. He did one-on-one interviews.
One-on-one interviews.
Shout out to the shout out to the Vision Pro party.
Your love, I would wiggle out. And though I feed your love, I would smuggle out. And if I make it so, and if I make it so, maybe I would burn this town. If I foreclosed to the
I promised to put you first. And I promised to put you first.
So you only had one thing prepared.
I don't know why I said and.
Really sweet, actually.
so deep.
And my one sounds really dumb now compared to yours.
I promise to have fun as well.
Yeah, I think that's what keeps relationships together.
The camera's on me. I'm nervous.
That's your nervous, and that's your nervous. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Okay. It's done.
Okay, let me do one more. We walk back. Just go.
Okay.
I'm adding them.
So we have a dance together, which is about 4 songs. I have my friends dance, which is about 5 songs. I'm dancing with my cousins. I'm dancing with Jess's family. It comes out to about 10, 15 songs. So it's a lot of songs I have to remember. And I have to remember everything that's going on as well. But it's a lot of fun. You only get married once, hopefully.
I don't know what I should do. Oh, bring you see through the dark.
Oh, don't say that. Cut that out.
In my heart, you know it's easy to see. Wait for the season to come back to me.
In terms of promises, I promise to always keep things lighthearted so that, you know, life is hard as it is. But, you know, when you have the right life partner and we're both just carefree and outgoing, I think things will be easy and they'll be sweet, just like our relationship has been. So I promise to make sure that we're always laughing and we're always smiling.
Oh my god, you guys look so nice. Yeah, I just know. So today is the wedding day. And we are going to give a little sneak peek of the bride. Here's our outfits. We're missing Yashi, but she's coming. And here is the beautiful bride. Wow!
Honestly, I think I'm nervous about walking down the aisle because I want everything to go right. But I think it's going to just feel so surreal, like being there. And this whole year's worth of planning is going to come to that specific moment. So that is what I'm most excited about.
Here, go away! Get him, dog. Come on, let's go!